Forgotten username recovery failed on Emma Finance Fix. If you've been trying to recover your Emma Finance username and the recovery keeps failing, don't worry, it's not your fault. This problem happens because Emma doesn't actually use usernames anymore, and most users don't realize it. The surprising truth is that Emma Finance relies entirely on your email address as your login ID. That means if you try to recover a username, the system won't find anything, because usernames don't exist on the current platform. Here's how to fix it quickly. Step 1. Go to the Emma login page and enter your registered email address instead of a username. If you can't remember your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions. You'll receive a reset link in your inbox if your account still exists. Step 2. Check your inbox for old messages from Emma Finance. These emails will confirm which address you used when creating your account. That's the key to logging in successfully. Step 3. If you don't receive a reset email, check your spam folder or any filtered category. Sometimes automated system messages get lost there. Step 4. If all else fails, reach out to Emma's support team. Provide your full name, your registered email if you remember it, and mention that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team can verify your details and restore your access manually. Most people get this wrong by thinking the recovery form is broken or that their account was deleted. But the truth is much simpler. Emma just doesn't use usernames anymore. The system now runs entirely on secure email-based logins. So don't panic. Your account and financial data are safe. Just use your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back in your Emma Finance account managing your money in minutes.